Hi everyone, welcome back. It's getting hot outside and we need something refreshing to cool us off. So I'm making a simple summer salad. Let's go. Cucumbers have a cooling effect, so I love to use them. This recipe serves 3 to 4 people, so you can increase the quantity of veggies for more. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so do check it out. If you don't like onions, you can totally skip it. Here I have used canned olives. I also use boiled and cooled peas and corn before adding it to the salad. Ribbon cut the baby spinach before adding it to the salad. Give it a good mix. Always use fresh lemon juice. Instead of making the salad dressing separate, I am mixing it directly to the salad. Green chilies are optional, but I like the slight spice, so I use them. Season the salad well for the flavors to pop up in every bite. Fresh herbs gives the salad a vibrant flavor. Give it a good mix. Fresh mint gives a refreshing taste to this salad. I'm using fresh crumbled mozzarella cheese, but feta is also another great substitute. Either of them are amazing. Use a nice handful of it to enhance the salad taste. Give it a good mix and we are ready to go. This salad can be consumed as is, or you can refrigerate it for 1 or 2 hours before serving. Hope you like this recipe. If you like today's recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.